Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Normally people says that turtle moves very slow. It is the slowest animal on the earth, but a programmer will prove them wrong. We will write a code, a simple code using turtle module to show that how the turtle actually moves, how fast it is. So let us begin with our code. Here we will create a 3D model using turtle module. So we are importing turtle module first of all, and we are defining a variable named ninja so that we can say ninja technique to create or to run turtle very fast. So ninja, and now we will call our turtle function turtle. So after this we will create or we will define the speed of that turtle, how fast the pen point will move. So ninja dot speed, and let it be 500 pixel. So this is the speed. So the final image of the 3D will be at last, so watch video till last so you will get what actually we are writing. How long or how far our turtle should move, so we are defining a range or we are taking a loop, that is for loop. For I in range, let it be 180 times. So 180 times our loop will run or the turtle pen point will move. So first of all we will move forward, so ninja dot forward, and it is we will define the pixel or the length how much it will move. So ninja dot forward, and let us move 100 point forward, and then after moving forward we'll again move to the right side. So ninja dot right, and here the length or the pixel will be 30. So after moving forward then right, then our pen will again move towards the forward by 20 pixel. So now we will again move towards the left part. First we moved forward, then right, again forward, now to the left, and now we will move towards again to the forward part. So it is forward right, forward left, forward, and again right. So this type we will create a 3D image. What image we are creating you will get to see at the last. So go in phase. So we will now point the ninja pen up. So ninja, and now we will set the starting position to be the 0, 0, xy axis is 0, 0, and ninja pen down. Okay, so we will correct the up, it is also pen up and pen down, and finally we will stop our ninja after moving to the right. So ninja right will go 2.2 pixel ahead, and then we will stop the execution of the turtle. So let us compile the code. So here we go, see the speed of the turtle pen. We are moving forward, right, forward, left, forward, again right. You can see the speed of the turtle. So enjoy the 3D image. Happy learning.